Hello, welcome to this tutorial. Today I am teaching Elliott waves to understand the whole story, fully functional and suitable for today's markets. For a very long time, Mr. Elliott had a theory. Mr. Elliott realized at that time that stocks and prices consist of 3 ascending waves and 2 correctional waves, and at the end of these 5 waves forms a 3-wave ABC movement. As you can see in the picture. Complete wave 5. This consists of 3 ascending waves and 2 correctional waves, which together form a 5-wave ascending motion. This structure that you see was used a lot in the past, but the method of using this structure has become easier and better today. But now it's time for 3 waves of ABC correction. Draw it on the chart together. This is also from the general structure of Elliott waves, but in the past we have seen more of this structure. In the case of ABC, no new ceiling will be formed, which will cause the price to fall. This was a summary of the whole structure of Elliott. You must notice that in each wave of this structure, an Elliott 5-wave structure is formed but at a smaller time. You see. Of course, today's market, it executes something different but simpler. Just an ABC wave, and he is very interested in making this move. A rising wave and a correction and again a rising wave. Let's go and learn how to use it on the chart. Let us first give an example of Forex. I do not use Elliott, but I use ABC movement a lot and I am satisfied. This is an example of the ABC move. So let's go to the Bitcoin chart and give an example there. Increase the time frame. Bitcoin also has an interesting price and surprises everyone.